Okay, I thought I'd go back and do a little bit more on this Ritchie Bros auction purchase I made. I've got a 2016, just like this one, only red, that's sitting up the road for sale. This one I had some fuel problems I'm still fighting with, but then I blew a relay on it apparently. Hooked up a booster box backwards to it and fried a relay. Don't do that. But I did some troubleshooting. It was blowing a 30 amp main fuse, and I wound up unhooking the ECM. I'm not sure what this module back here is, the driver solenoid. I wound up disconnecting every relay, pulling every fuse, and the next to the last relay, which was this one here, not sure what that runs, but that turned out to be the one that was fried. It was shorted out. I tried a different relay in that slot and it didn't blow the fuse, so it's not anything that runs. It's just the relay. I'll just pull a relay off of my parts unit over here and I'll put that on. But biggest problem I've had with this one is the fuel. They had put gas in the diesel tank when I got it, drained all that out, and I can get it to start occasionally, but it doesn't start consistently. And I redid the hoses on the fuel filter here, but it doesn't seem to be getting enough fuel pressure to, well, now it's not even filling up the filter. So when I turn the key on, it's almost as if it's got back pressure, because you can see it pushes it in there and then it pushes it back out. But when it shuts off, it goes back down. So anyway, thinking I'm gonna get a new fuel pump and a new fuel filter, but I'm probably not gonna go to Kawasaki because the fuel filter itself is over $300, I believe, and the fuel pump, I believe, is over $100. And I'm pretty sure I can get those cheaper at a parts store. But I can't find any information about, you know, units that I can use to replace that online. And I can't find any information online about what this relay runs, or any of these relays. I do have the Mule book downloaded. Need to go through it some more, a little closer. It's hard to look through on your phone, but anyway, I'll be pulling a relay off of this unit over here, the 2019, and putting the relay on here just to get it going. And if you're interested, keep watching. I'll do a little more. I did sell the 2018 that I had put the rough country lift on and the light whips. So gonna sell all these except probably one. I'll probably keep this single cab here that needs a head gasket or a head one. I'm not sure which yet. Hadn't got that far. It actually starts and runs better than, I mean, both of these will start and run, the 2019, and I think this is a 16. I'd have to look again. But the other 16 up the road starts and runs good. So anyway, subscribe, keep watching. Thanks.